Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Alisa Gustian Anwar. I want to explain 6 points of interpreter. 1. Defining the role. Role is a social science concept used to explain behavior and examine attitude between athletes to participants in any social situation. The concept of role is inextricably tied to the idea of a reciprocal relationship. Thus, the act exists such as doctor or patient, teacher or pupil, lawyer or client. The essential point in that each of these roles exists only in relation to the other. 2. Comparison with other professional in social rules. As in other professional rules, a reciprocal relationship is taken for granted. But the interpreter must mention this rule is relation to two clients and continually switch between them. Consequently, each client must not see the interpreter as a companion of information between client and interpreter, but must accept the interaction for what it is, a discussion between client. Contextual factors contribute to a role which differ from other professional and social rules. Interpreter must at all costs regard themselves as the instrument rather than the focus of the communication. In this situation, this task is extremely difficult. The physical proximity of the interpreter to the client is one factor which contributes to the difficulty of keeping this distance. 3. The interpreting interaction. We can assume that there is motivation to communicate for the achievement of goals which are shared, at least to someone action, by the interlocutor. This impels a number of features such as the linear one common to all communication between two people, namely the tendency to turn-taking, the necessity for a feedback loop, the inevitable noise and other common positives and pitfalls. The feature peculiar to an interpreted interaction can be looked at as normal communication situation with two loops, one which involves client 1 and the interpreter, and the other which involves client 2 and the interpreter. 4. The concept of client. The concept of client relies on an understanding of the fundamental part which an interpreter plays in an interaction. It is precisely because there is no such general understanding amongst potential clients that this is an issue at all. It is understandable that the person calling an interpreter feels that, by expressing a need to communicate with the other person, they have taken the initiative and have the right to some measure of control over the interpreter. 5. Creation of the rule. The creation of a rule for interpreter must also be approached from a global perspective. We seek to place in professional terms the professional obligation which interpreters have to their client and to their professional colleagues. The interpreter also needs the ability to empathize with each interlocutor in turn at each exchange and to enter the particular situation in such a way as to appear natural to the interlocutor. 6. Translating and interpreting. Within the literature, much is assumed and little said about the difference between the two skills, apart from the fact that translation involves written text and interpreting involves oral ones when one is dealing with client. However, this distinction is blurred by a number of factors which in turn contribute to client perception of the rules of interpreter and translation. Okay, thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.